네, 안녕하세요. 찜입니다. 일단 지금 점심을 먹어야 되는데 애들이 라면 해달라고 했어요 방금. Which one do you want?
This one.
You want the orange one? Why?
Because I like it.
Have you ever had this one?
No.
I don't think so, but you've had this one before.
Yeah.
It's super spicy.
Yeah.
What about that one? You've never had that one. Should we make all of it and then just do the taste test?
Yeah.
라면 4종류를 만든 다음에 하나씩 먹어보려고 합니다. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Get a cup of water because it could be spicy.
Oh no.
Here.
What?
그래서 까먹었어요. 아, 이거는 일단 비빔면이고 이거는 신라면인 것 같고. 야, 이게 진라면인가? 아, 이게 진라면이다. That's Chloe's. This is Ian's.
Just a blow.
Yeah. Very tiny bit.
A teensy, half medium, half teensy.
What do you think? Is it spicy for you, Ian?
Half medium,
Just a
half,
little.
half
Just a
medium.
little. Good one.
So it's half
Is
medium.
it perfect for you?
So this is half medium, half tiny bit. So that means it half medium, half tiny bit. So that means
Okay, a tiny bit of a bite.
Yeah.
I don't think. Is it gonna be spicy? It was a little.
Was it hot?
Kind of.
Okay. Here, why don't you try this one then?
is it way hotter?
No, it's not.
It's not hot.
That part is so good.
Yeah, it's really good. Chloe, do you want to try a bit?
Spicy? Is it
Like that.
spicier than this?
Sour,
don't think so.
sour than this. Sour than Sprite. Gooder.
Chew,
Gooder
chew,
than.
chew.
Gooder than. Gooder than. Than ice. Gooder
Spicy?
than. Gooder than chocolate
Okay.
and spicier than your spicier than your noodles. What's an apple?
Too spicy? Was it really that spicy?
Spicier than that.
That's a
Huh?
big bite.
이안이 비빔면 좋아할 줄 알았어요.
Ian, which one is hotter, that one or that one?
That. Both of them.
But you like it?
Yeah.
Chloe, did you like it though? It's just spicy?
Don't add the spice to it.
Okay.
I like the taste of this one. It's just a little bit spicy.
I didn't use the whole thing. There's a half packet left in there.
Chloe, can I?
What's the half packet?
Can I have
Only half.
yours?
Yes, Ian, try it.
Is it like ice cream?
It's what? What do you mean it's like ice cream? 생각보다 너무 잘 먹어요. 라면 애가 원래 라면을 좀 좋아하기 때문에.
My head even feels hot.
I'm sweating. I'm sweating a lot. All of us are sweating.
Holy moly, Ian almost cried because how hot it is. Like I saw his eyes are like, yeah, look at Ian's eyes, they're glossy. That means he's like about to cry. Oh, that's when something's really spicy.
땀 맺히는 너무 귀여워. Let me see.
My breath is spicy.
It's not my breath, it is.
No, stop.
Spicy.
I'm full.